Hey baddies, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm just going to be showing you how I work through my monthly budget every month. If you're new here, my name is Jasmine. I'm an all-cash budgeter. I use what's called a zero-based budgeting method. If this sounds like something that you're interested in today, stay tuned. Alrighty, y'all. So first things first. Ooh, my iPad's about to die. Okay. So I already went ahead and filled in my monthly budget. And I got here from my neutral budget planner. Just hit monthly budget. And here we are. So here's an overview of both pages. There's income, variable expenses or cash envelopes, fixed expenses, which are bills, and I use my 401k there, and then just normal expenses. So I put my sinking fund, savings, challenges, and student loans. And then down here in this open section, I just wrote out my monthly goals for the month. I'm having a no spend month. I have been working out every day, trying to clean eat. And I also incorporated routines in my life, and it has been really nice. I forgot how much I missed having a routine since I stopped working a 9 to 5. So I make myself get up at 8 and go to sleep by 11:30. I set so that I only work so many hours per day, that I set in time for meditation, for stretching, again for fitness, for reading, because I love reading, but I can never find time. So I put it as a part of my night routine, and I've been able to read at least 1 to 2 chapters every night. Not as much as I used to, but it's something, right? So maybe try incorporating routines if you're struggling a little bit with productivity. I'm getting ready to set a consistent YouTube schedule. For now, I'm just going to book a hotel every week and go batch upload, so that, because the issue is I want to upload Monday, but then the Wi-Fi will crap out on Saturday or Sunday, and it takes 2 days for my video to upload, and it's not ready in time. So there's that. I'm also working on a course for small business owners, side hustlers, so I have to get the plan together for that so that I can start pre-selling. Social media, I need to be more consistent on Instagram and Reels posting, and I suck at that right now, mostly because our Wi-Fi is crap. And also I have a sales goal of $40,000 this month. And so I just set over here a little thing that I read when I come here, that this month is all about healing financially, because I've been overspending as far as impulse spending. So I'm really trying to heal myself from that. Physically, because it's finally time for me to take control of my health. I've been really serious about that. Mentally, I am going back to therapy and starting back on some medications and stuff, and just to prioritize myself. I think I kind of got lost in my relationship, and you can just get lost in those things, and I'm trying to find myself again and what I want, what I really need, and so, all that big girl stuff. And then I'm learning to love myself in healthy ways. Okay. Alrighty. So, but again, you can use this area for whatever you want. That's just what I have it for this month. So let's look at our expected income for the month. So for the month of March, I'm expecting $56.48 from my business. It's probably going to be more because I'm trying to pay myself for a life insurance payment I made. YouTube, I'm expecting around $2,000. As you guys know, I was down for like a week and a half with COVID, and I kind of had to try to play catch up, and YouTube was not having it with analytics, so I'm not expecting much. Social media, I turned down so many sponsorships. 1, because I just didn't have time, and 2, because they didn't align with my brand and the kind of content I want to bring to you guys. Like for instance, I had a video game company reach out to me, and they offered me a huge, probably the biggest sponsorship I had. But y'all don't care about, my audience is not video gamers, and you may be, but this is not the platform for that. And so I want to stay authentic and true to my brand and not just be a dog chasing after every bone. So it's a little short on the sponsorships too, unless something else pops up that aligns with my brand. So next up, we'll go over to variable expenses. And so these are my cash envelopes. So again, they're pretty typical. $100 for gas for the month. Y'all, I literally do not drive. I put gas in my car once a month. Okay. Groceries, $400. I will probably go over this number. I probably should have did $500 because groceries are so freaking expensive right now. Spending is $150. Again, I'm trying to really reel it in. This is just in case I have to do some emergency spending. Dining out, $50. Again, we're trying to cut that out. We've been cooking every day. Beauty, $100. I need like an exfoliator and a different kind of sunscreen. So I set aside money for that. And then we have miscellaneous money. There's a total of $850 there. For our fixed expenses, we have our bills and our 401k. So this is pretty much an estimate on bills. 401k is only $800 this month versus the $1,600 because remember I paid it forward last month. So we have $2,100 total there. And our sinking funds, $2,000 is what I estimated for the month. Savings challenges $520 and student loans $1,000, which gives us a total of $3,520 with $2,178 left. And typically with the money that's left over, it will go towards the student loan. Okay, so that's how I work through my monthly budget. And while we're here, I know so many of you have emailed me and reached out, and so I've tried to respond, but to be able to navigate through these planners, you have to have the pen turned off. So the pen is on now, and now the pen is off. So when the pen is on, see, I can't click anything. But when the pen is off, I can navigate, right? Okay. I haven't really used that page as much as I thought I would. As far as my weekly check-in, here we are. This looks terrible. We're on week 2. And let's see what else I can tell you all about. Oh, my bill tracker. So I went ahead and filled this in for the month. And in here, you can write in the dates that your bill is due and then the amount that is due, just so you can keep up with it when they're paid. That's really important for me to make sure that I paid it because some stuff I manually pay, it doesn't auto draft. So like we just paid Sprint. That one. My investments will come out tomorrow, I believe. So just so that I can know like what my bank account balance should be and when it's time to pay a bill, this is a really cool way to just track it. But outside of that, that's all I have for today. That's all I really do at the beginning of the month. I typically go in and add my bills, but I didn't do that this month. Again, I've been super busy. So that's it. Yeah, that's really it. So again, if you guys have any questions or concerns about the planner or about monthly budgeting, just leave them down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Nah, I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. But baby, it's you. Lying like a ride, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you. Baby, it's you. Whatever, and I would never. Yeah. You've been flexing everywhere. Girl, look in the mirror. Man, you so dirty. Yeah, you look so dirty. You were never worthy. Lately, it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. But baby, it's you. Lying like a ride, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you, you, you. Baby, it's you, if I control the weather, then every day would rain on your parade. Shine, you can't chase, yeah. If I was Father Time, then I would change the day, so I never saw your